Okay, so here's the site. We've got a hot tub here. This is about 4 feet, maybe 5 feet off the ground. They have some piers in here, or maybe just cap block, no, maybe just wood blocks. All right, so what's needed is dig some piers, and that's under this main piece. The joists are holding, but it would need to be, so I'll need to step back and show for square in line with the supports that they have. That's the very middle of the hot tub, and it needs some support on both sides. If you look, this post here is sunk down, and then this whole thing has sunk down a little. So it seems like it's this one and this one. We'd have to throw a level on this to see if these are coming down. But yeah, so a few more posts on some concrete, a good concrete pier.